Coming to green, maybe. Let's go. And
W Green, let's do this, boys.
Here we
Coming
go.
lap 5. Big one, lap 5.
And wreck.
Green flag in the air, and we're about
Green
to race.
flag.
Green flag, we're about to
Green
reckon. 98. Oh shit, who's
I
in
forget. I'm
92?
gonna get so
He's
confused
coming
because
back.
66 is gonna be him.
All right, we finished the lap without wrecking. Now
Well,
it's
shut
time
up.
to all hell.
he leads the first lap.
Yay!
Watch
We
it be
made
the 19. Who's in the? Is it Derek Kraus in the night? No.
No, Kraus
Fuck.
got moved to the 20.
Christian Eckes in the 19 now, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. I think. Well, maybe Eckes wrecks his old truck to pops a big one here, or just Matt Crafton pushed his former teammate to the lead. They're tandeming.
Oh, yellow.
Oh, yellow lap 2.
That didn't take long.
What? Well, not the big one. I don't think we're gonna get the big one lap 5 now.
Oh!
Rain?
What?
What happened?
It's rain in turn 1.
Are you kidding me?
Rain
It's
in
rain.
turn 1.
Oh my fucking god!
And
Are you fucking kidding me? It's raining?
Oh my fucking god!
Yes, Mike, we're going back green.
That was great timing. Hell
I
yeah.
pinged Busby. I pinged him. I already pinged him. Going green. Green flag in the air.
Green flag, baby.
Green flag's back out.
By the way, Mike, the pride flag has made its way under the track.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Yeah, store freezing is
Caution.
gay now.
Caution.
Caution's out.
Caution again? What?
For rain.
Again?
Oh, my God. What was the point of throwing it back out?
That's just mean.
I heard that. Yeah, that's just mean.
my article is going to be filled with NASCAR keeps throwing the caution for fucking rain.
What was the point in even going back green? Like, I don't understand. I hate the fact that there's even stages in this series to begin with. It's too short.
He's gonna be at the back of the field.
That's what she said.
Oh,
Got him.
damn.
Is that a Napa Auto Parts Toyota?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Oh, no, wait,
Chevy.
no, that's a Chevy. Never mind.
Chevy, my
Fucking,
guy.
God damn it, dude. God damn it, Owen. Fuck.
I'm slightly high right now.
The tandem.
Get on the bottom.
I hate
Nope.
the snow pushing rule. It's so
He
garbage.
should have went in that hole right there.
Oh!
We got more. Why did I have Mike turned down? What fucking desired me? What possessed me to turn him down?
How annoying am I? Oh!
Man, Majeski just
One
left
to go.
his teammate out to dry.
We're gonna see a wreck. We're gonna see a wreck.
Oh, man.
Deegan gets a stage win.
Nah, Deegan's not gonna stage win.
Here they come
They're
into
still
turns
good
1.
behind.
Hang it back one more time.
Battle for second.
Oh, Mikey.
Majeski gonna win the first stage of the year?
Battle for second.
Wait, hang on a second.
I guess might get him.
Kraus. Oh, you
Oh,
backed
he's gonna
up.
get a bump.
He backed up the Kraus.
Hang on a
He backed
second.
up the Kraus and get the
We
run.
got
Oh, it's gonna be a
Finish.
photo finish. Here we go.
Oh, it's gonna be
Here they
photo.
come.
Oh,
Oh,
drag race. The
I thought
bottom's gonna go faster.
Matty
It's
G was
gonna be a double
still
drag
drafted.
race.
oh man, what a save.
And Derek,
Eckies.
and Derek.
Eckies.
Kraus.
Let's go.
Wait, is it
He's gonna win.
Deegan got.
Fourth.
Deacon 4th.
Let's go.
Damn, not
Oh my
bad.
god.
Fourth,
Holy
okay.
Damn.
shit.
Yeah.
Okay, Deegan, I see you.
What the hell happened? Did he
got
just
loose
get
off a
loose?
4.
Got loose.
Got loose off a
Shit.
4.
He just got arrow loose there.
Now.
Ew, he looks fucking ugly.
Look at dummy.
He looks like an inbred.
Oh my god.
Holy
What
shit.
the fuck?
I'm not lying. He does look like an inbred.
Damn.
Yeah. So we
They'll
all
even
can just
host
agree
Marvel.
that fucking. What's his name? Hunter's gonna be ahead because he's a.
I'm actually not ahead. I'm in pace. I'm in pace.
A little
Go
poor.
Pastrana.
God, dude, we're gonna junk it so hard.
This quality's worse
Where's
than
Pastrana? Oh, Pastrana's on the outside now.
Hey, hey, this quality's worse than
God.
Mike's iPhone or Mike's fucking Samsung.
Sam's. Oh,
According to my statistics, we're gonna get a big one.
Holy shit!
dude.
Yeah,
They
and
can't
how?
everything is running in the
Why are we
orbit.
running this hard? It's lap 30.
Okay, no, and the funny thing is, if it is,
Caution.
LED
Oh,
Oh, big back.
we were just talking.
oh, fire!
Wait.
Good one.
Fire.
I can't
Fire.
see anything. The
So-
pixels.
No, that's a jet. That's a jet engine. There's a new
No.
jet engine on these cars.
Daniel dies in it.
Oh, Dean.
I almost said Skylar Thompson. What's up?
I called it.
Oh, Jimmy.
Oh.
Oh no, Jimmy.
Damn.
Boom, a big one.
Damn, brother.
God
That's a
damn
mid
it.
one.
Who the fuck is in the 84? Is that Clay?
Fuck. Like.
What?
I don't.
Okay, all right.
Who is that?
Okay. Flashbacks to Kurt Busch doing
no,
that.
that's Deegan.
Oh
I told y'all she was gonna fucking
Why is
suck.
he still driving?
I fucking told y'all.
Fire
What
under
did
the
I
fire
say?
truck.
Okay,
Oh,
I
What did I
literally.
say?
I
Deegan
literally
was gonna
said
wreck.
that Haley Deegan's right in the heart of it. Oh no.
It was Greenfield.
I
God
told
damn
you
it.
Deacon was gonna wreck. What did I
Debbie!
say?
Oh, the 5 car.
Oh, Debbie, fuck. Well,
It's
he
raining.
came
also,
back from
man.
a
God
he came back from a
damn.
damage. He came back from
That
a
truck
damage
was
truck in
Asian now.
Talladega, so he's got a chance.
Daniel
true.
die.
All right. Well,
Oh, the-
now it's time to post some shit in Dig.
Oh, okay. I think Debbie probably. Oh, the 84 came up into the 98 and just lost it.
What kind of
Oh,
McDonald's
man.
has a message?
Oh, God.
Oh my
Haley
god,
Deegan.
what a crunch.
Wow.
That's a hard hit. Damn.
Fuck, dude.
Fire.
All right,
The
so
fire
I'm gonna start
extinguisher.
posting shit in Dig memes. I don't know if it's sure it was soft.
busted.
It felt more like hard. It felt more like hard because Haley Deegan was in it, but that could just be me.
What?
Okay.
If you get the joke, you get the joke.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, you know what? I won't lie to y'all. Haley Dingham kind of looking like a mommy.
Oh my
my
god.
gosh.
dude.
Hey,
Oh my
I had to.
god.
Steve, why did you post me on fucking Twitter?
Who else agrees?
Holy
Who else
shit.
agrees?
Oh my god, dude.
I'm gonna
Finally.
Big Mac.
Finally, we're racing. Oh, and caution. I'm joking. Wait, we're gonna race for another fucking 6 laps for another yellow. 5 laps, my bad. Oh!
What? Oh my god.
Colby.
Fuck me!
Okay, we're definitely gonna eat shit. We're all gonna eat shit.
Oh man!
They're 3 wide. No. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Oh!
Ooh.
Oh
Everyone
man!
was getting pushed around out there.
Ankham's getting bullied.
Every time I see cars gain ground through the middle,
Oh!
yeah, they're junking it.
Colby.
They're
We're
junking
gonna
it.
see a wreck. Oh!
What
Bro,
the fuck is
these-
happening?
These motherfuckers are not stable.
Roads.
What the f-
Yeah, Ben Rhodes has a really fast truck.
What about Chodes?
To the inside. Here
Ben
comes Hamilton
Jones.
up the outside.
Crash
split the
into
cheek.
wall into the air.
Wanna go?
Yeah, they're junking it. They're junking it. Who's gonna eat shit, boys? Who's gonna eat shit?
Alright, well, good night. Here we go.
Good night.
Goodbye, field.
Oh man. God, they're pushing
Imagine
so
we get a
hard
clean
right now.
sweep out of this one.
I should not
Just
even...
imagine.
Oh, we got
All right,
trouble.
who's
It's
turning?
gonna
Who's
happen.
turning?
Oh, there it is.
We go.
God. Not
Good
clear.
timing.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh,
good
Mickey.
timing.
Oh no!
Oh wait, no, that's not Chase.
Autism.
That's not Chase. Dude, fucking Colby
Autism.
Howard's in it.
It's to the
Damn it.
line.
Oh.
Bro,
Oh, fucking.
I thought that was
Mahomes.
a big one.
I thought it was gonna be much bigger. I'm surprised it wasn't.
The
Well,
timing,
I'm
though.
surprised
I said,
last
oh,
night
look
wasn't a big one.
The timing, though.
Yeah, right.
I said, oh, look out. We got trouble. This is gonna hurt.
And then he spins.
Oh, autism's still okay. Good job, man.
What?
Who is he?
Steve called it. He said, "Oh no, watch out. This is gonna hurt."
My dick is gonna hurt. Wait, what?
Listen, just
Oh,
because
my
Haley
God.
Deegan wrecked already doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, mommy wrecked out.
Hey, Natalie Decker races
God.
tomorrow at 1:30.
Put that in the video.
God damn it. Fuck it, just go. Let him go. I'm here for the chaos. I don't care.
That's what she said.
Oh my god.
34 uncontrolled tire. It's just a miss. Don't worry.
Dude, we're gonna fucking chunk it. Let's go. I'm here for the chaos, bro. Oh my god.
Daytona for the
Holy
Cup Series in the
shit.
summertime. Everybody fucking dies except for one person in turn 1.
No! Damn it.
Who's gonna make it? No, damn it! Red flag is gonna come up. Hey, Steve, are they gonna go red?
The track is dry.
Oh, no, it's not.
Just run 5 more laps and then call the fucking race. Like, just do that. Like, fuck. I'm so sick of this shit. Not Dale.
Why did? Oh,
Who's
he went
getting-
to the outside.
Oh, man, what a move.
Holy shit!
Let's go! Come on.
Who's getting Snyder hooked?
LaJoy got loose.
He just made a Mickey noise. Oh!
Do the drill, brother.
Yeah, do the fucking...
Crank it up.
Crank it down.
I'm cranking it.
Okay.
That's just it. I'm cranking it.
I'm cranking, brother. Wait, what happened to Zane?
Oh shit!
That's your driver, Mike.
Oh my god.
Chase Elliott's right
Suck
there.
to suck. L plus ratio plus. Who's better?
Defending
Pick a name.
champion. Defending champion. Holy shit!
Oh shit! What a
Oh,
run!
oh,
What a run!
God damn!
Damn it, Elliott!
he is 8th.
Ricky! Oh!
Ooh. Get him! Get him!
Whoa! What a move!
Shit!
They put Mickey out of the... Oh!
Oh, Christ!
Save it! No!
Oh no!
No! Nutbuster! Are you kidding?
Ballbuster?
Oh,
Those are teammates.
He's
Those are teammates.
ballbusted.
oh,
They're teammates.
Peanut busted. He's
Oh, he's crabbing. That shit is crabbing. Oh
Oh,
my
shit.
god! Dude, what a...
bad.
God
That
damn!
he fucking sucks. Where's the fucking dick riders now?
Oh shit! Zane
Oh,
Smith.
yeah.
Holy
Oh,
shit!
yeah, that thing is killed.
Zane Smith got lucky.
Is that Mickey?
That thing is
That-
killed.
Is that Mickey?
Hit this one? No, that's Raja.
Aw, not the go.
There's Mickey. I mean, I think what happened was the 38 came down on the 24. The 24 got
Bruh, nah.
loose.
On Black History Month 2, are you fucking serious?
Unfortunate.
All right,
Yeah,
let's see.
okay, yeah, so Raja and Ben, they split the 35, and they try and get underneath the 38, and he puts a late block on him, and Raja lifts, and then he fucking loses it. That's probably what happened.
So he literally got blocked into a spin, right? Like that?
Oh, yep. Yep. That's
Oh,
that's
shit.
exactly what happened. Dude, Enfinger, oh my god. And then the 98 turned the 43. God damn it, dude. Fucking ball buster.
Ballbuster.
Fuck.
Mom busted.
Dude, that
Ball
second
buster.
pack laid back for a reason. Oh, Heim might have some damage.
You are the damage. What?
Brain.
Concussion.
Brain damage.
I got Newman.
It's gonna be the next time I get fucking
hell yeah.
just thrown up in the air on iRacing. I got Newman. Oh,
Oh.
man.
But did he get turned or he just lost his
He got turned by the 98.
the 98 Comb finger?
No, Majeski.
Mapisky, more like.
Green.
No.
LaJoy.
Let's go, LaJoie. Come on. Dude, look how many trucks are fucking left. Oh my god.
They're all on the
Green
inside.
is in the
Oh,
air.
that's right. That's right.
My God,
What the fuck?
Uh,
My bad.
Oh,
I keep
Is this
forgetting that we have
2000?
that shoes rule, dude.
is this 2005 or something?
What is this shit? That was fucking.
That's so retarded. Oh
Come on.
my God.
I love it. I don't care. I fucking love it. Let's
I
go.
told you this rule was fucking stupid.
Look at
Now
that.
look, get rid of the fucking choose rule.
No, I like it. I like the choose rule.
I'm here for all the chaos. I don't give a shit. Fuck it. No!
No, LaJoy.
No. Go Zane.
He's fucking.
Zane.
He,
Come on, Zane.
Damn, the whole field said fuck Corey LaJoy.
who's making a move?
Oh, Eckies. Is it raining? Never mind. Never mind. Why? This camp fucking sucks, dude. Stop!
Caution! Caution!
Caution's out.
Rain, probably.
I knew it! I told you!
Hey,
I was like, wait, is it...
GG Zane fucking Smith.
It's like, wait, is it raining?
This is the hardest rain he's ever
Look.
seen in his life. I got to imagine you probably disagree with that statement.
I swear, if he Mickey Mouse is way into this, I'm gonna be so mad. But
Let's go! Yeah! Let's fucking go! Oh my god! That's awesome.
Yes. Let's fucking
I'm a Zane Smith fan, but I love that quote.
It's over, guys. It's over. Zane Smith won.
Oh, we did?
Zane Smith is the winner.
We did? Thank God!
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's
God.
go! 2 years in a row, bitch!
Let's
Yeah!
go. And
Yeah!
fuck yeah, it's finally over.
Woo!
Alright, where's my phone? I gotta.
It was a
it's
Mickey
finally
win, but I
fucking
don't give
over.
a fuck. Let's go.